Yeah, oh my god, I'm so fucking cool. I'm a fidget bitch. What a fidget fuck.
What a fidget.
Scissoring fidgets. What's up, guys? My name is Krista.
And my name is Courtney.
And welcome to MilkChocolate! Alright guys, today we are here. What the hell are we doing, Courtney? We are jumping on the bandwagon and
We're playing with fidget spinners.
Where did my fidget spinner broke. Courtney and I went out and we both bought fidget spinners. How lit.
Because we're super trendy, we thought it would be a fun idea to take the average fidget spinner and give you guys a couple alternative uses for it. So you can get the most bang for your buck. Bang, bang, bang! Bang, bang, bang!
If you guys are new here and you would like to join the barn, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below.
And make sure you tap the notification bell so you can be notified of all of our new uploads.
Move, bitch!
Model down! Get the wait, what? Ah! Oh my god!
So we hit the boulevard last Friday night. We went streaking in the park, skinny dipping in the dark. Then had a menage a trois last Friday night. Yeah, I think we broke the law. Always say we're gonna stop. Whoa, this Friday night.
So this is the last shot of the night?
Yes, sir.
Alright, are you sure this is gonna be safe?
Crystal, it's a fidget spinner.
Alright!
Kids play with it.
Alright, I'm going in. Are you sure it's gonna be fine?
Crystal,
I'm
literally,
just-
little
I'm
kids
just
use
gonna
it.
go- I thought you said this would be safe!
Crystal, we're YouTubers. It's just fidget spinners. They're trendy. That's our thing.
Oh, not that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up.
And if you guys want to leave us a comment down below, let us know what other ways that you can use a fidget spinner in your everyday life. We will see you guys next Tuesday with a brand new video. Move, bitch! Okay, it's all about the fidget spin.
Okay.
Make sure you're recording. Shit. It's fine, we'll fix it.
Behind the scenes.
It's working!
With some Dairy Queens.
It's working! But we don't know what is what yet!
This fashionable pirate.
So this one time fucking Claudia was such a bitch and she came in and caught me talking shit about her. So what did I have to do? I had to put the bitch out for elimination. I don't know what the fuck.
I'm a little bit curious as to what that was.
That's my confessional. These shits be falling apart this is the cheapest bullshit I've ever fucking seen produced. This is bullshit.
You're so
Put it down on me, put it down on me.
You like that.
Oh, Jesus.
That's crazy.
Oh, this is great.
We'll clean our house one day.
Now I'm gonna fucking fidget spin your cock off. What the fuck was that? This cum explosion. Now go